Euro NCAP conducts a variety of tests to evaluate the safety of car models. These tests include a frontal impact test where half of the car's width hits a deformable barrier at 31 miles per hour. Another frontal impact test where the car collides with a full-width rigid barrier. A side impact test where a mobile deformable barrier impacts the driver's side door. A pole test where the car is propelled sideways into a rigid pole to assess the effectiveness of the center airbag. A whiplash test performed on a sled. Pedestrian safety is also assessed through tests using different impactors, including adult and child head forms, lower and upper leg forms. Additionally, tests for autonomous emergency braking, AEB, for pedestrians and cyclists are conducted. In 2023, a new test scenario for cyclist dooring prevention was introduced. Active safety features are evaluated based on the performance of the car's equipment, such as autonomous emergency braking in car-to-car and car-to-motorcycle scenarios. Occupant status monitoring, including seatbelt reminders, fatigue, distraction, and impairment, as well as lane support and speed assistance technologies. Since 2016, Euro NCAP has allowed manufacturers to sponsor an optional second rating for their cars, with additional safety equipment provided in the form of a safety pack. Euro NCAP encourages the development, availability, and promotion of such systems on all car models.